Jessica Blair, one of the co-owners of Verge down there on Washington Street, down there, I guess, in downtown Albany. Good morning. How are you doing today?
We're great.
And she's joined this morning with her beautiful daughter. How are you doing today, sweetheart?
Good.
She's off from school, so she gets to come in and be on TV with us. All right, now we are talking vintage jewelry. You've got us all, I guess, blinged out. We've got some vintage jewelry on, but this is pretty popular with the accessorizing this season.
Yes, it is, and I love the vintage stuff because I was just sharing with you that I picked up a money magazine on how to save and tips like on fashion, and I turned to the section where they say, okay, this is the outfit and this is how much it's going to cost you, and it's only $200, and I thought,
oh, that's still a lot of money.
That's not saving money.
That's a lot of money.
In my opinion, so I think in future weeks I'll take some of those outfits and try to redo them myself.
Yeah,
but
for
the biggest,
$20.
Exactly. But the biggest thing that caught my attention was how expensive the accessories were, and I thought,
absolutely.
Well, if you're going to go and you're going to do the accessories and spend that much money, then how many other girls are going to have that piece?
Good
Whereas with the vintage items, it's going to be a very rare occasion if you find another girl that's going to have the same piece that you have on.
Certainly.
So
now we have some gorgeous pieces here.
Right, we do, and I'm going to be up and down and everywhere, but I don't know if you can zoom in on this piece over here, but Hannah has got a beautiful vintage choker with pearls and rhinestones.
With the swirls and the flowers, that's gorgeous.
And it even comes with the old
matching earrings.
Matching earrings. And this piece here would be great for a holiday party, great for church, if you're going to a homecoming.
Yeah.
And I guarantee you, ladies and young ladies, no other girl's going to have this set.
Absolutely not.
And this set here, I would have to do a little bit of research, but it's definitely under $30.
Wow.
So
and you can't really go out and buy
No.
new homecoming jewelry or anything like that for that price.
And how many other girls are going to have a similar piece?
Certainly.
We do have some of the
this is fun. Oh
the
my
1970s dangling owls with the moving parts. These are really popular right now.
I would say I see these a lot in stores, department stores, you know, little boutiques and stuff like that. I feel like the owl is really popular right now.
It is, and this owl I love. He's like, again, I said 1970s. He's $20. Can't beat it. Nobody's going to have a duplicate of this one.
And you have, I should have been sleeping last night, but I was looking at their website. Great stuff down there right now. You guys have a ton of these owl necklaces, right?
We did. We sold out of quite a few, but I do. I have a gentleman that sells a lot of vintage jewelry to me, and he's on the hunt for more.
Got it.
They go like
hot
hotcakes.
item.
Hot item, and Melanie has a great,
really
this. Cool necklace on, sweet gold chain, and it's dual-sided, which is really unique. And once again, it's one of a kind.
Very fun.
We also have some really great old brooches down here. These are gorgeous. I love this little guy right here.
Oh, you know, we were talking about him. He's so little, but he's a big fat elephant. That's you just kind of stick on a sweater or
a sweater, scarf pin, anything, lapel pin, $5. We've also got some great rings. These Italian mosaic tile rings are very old, and this one here is $16.50. I've seen them as much as hundreds of dollars on eBay. So great price. We've got lots of pearls, long, short, triple strands.
And these look like pretty classic items that...
These are.
They're vintage, but they never went out of style.
They don't go out of style, and they're going to be something unique to you. This set here is $16. You really can't beat it.
3 necklaces. Look at that.
Yeah.
All right, now talk to me. How can accessories spice up an outfit? I wear the same pair of earrings, you know, maybe switch up a necklace here and there, but I basically wear the same jewelry every single day.
Okay, and that's the thing. A lot of times you'll see somebody put a basic outfit together. You're going to have your basic sheath dress. Well, just change the necklace. Like you said, change the earrings. It's so much cheaper than changing the outfit.
All right, and you can have a whole new outfit with that.
Yeah, whole new look.
All right, now real quick, lastly, vintage jewelry, I'm assuming the earrings, though that pair matched, but you don't have to match your earrings to your bracelet, to your necklace. It doesn't have to be all matchy-matchy.
Which is great because you can take silver, gold, colors, mix it all together, do organics with like this necklace here. You got shell and you've got wooden pieces. This is a great one right here. This one's only $9.
I never know if the earrings should match exactly. Perfect.